What's going on, guys? This is actually going to be a shorter video. It's snowing really bad right now, and I just want to fly my Spark in it, see what's going to happen. I think it's really cold too, so I'm probably just going to lift it off and stay inside. But yeah, let's see how well this tiny little drone handles in terrible snow. I swear, the internal fan on this thing is louder than when it actually flies. Just listen to that. That's just insane. Alright, so we're out here. You can see it's clearly snowing. Drone's up, and I'm just waiting for GPS to connect. Oh! Alright, let's see if this thing works. There is so much snow coming down. It's all landing on my lens and camera. See what's on my phone right now because there's so much snow. I mean, alright, so that pretty much answers it. It does fly. Alright, so now it's snowing even worse. I doubt you can tell from in here though because lighting change. But I'm not going to try to fly this. It handled really great. The problem with it was just like my phone was getting a little wet because the snowflakes would land on it and then melt. But this had no problem going through the snow. That's pretty much it. Just a small, short, little fun video. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do. I'm like, oh, why not make a video out of it? So yeah, if you liked it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos and consider sharing with a friend. See you next time.